In today's presentation, Netcracker will show you how telecom service providers can reinvent themselves and become disruptive service providers in the 5G digital era by fully automating their processes and completely redesigning their business models. This is achieved with Netcracker's digital OSS and a new operational approach. Instead of over-provisioning the network, we'll build an elastic, programmable 5G infrastructure entirely out of the cloud, with telecom and enterprise applications automatically integrated and configured. Such an infrastructure can be built within hours and torn down within minutes. To get started, we'll use our digital telco sourcing portal to place an order for the required 5G infrastructure. Our telco sourcing portal is an intelligent front end with its capabilities going beyond a standard marketplace where only individual products are purchased. In our portal, products are dynamically purchased based on the agreed SLAs, available capacity, placement policies, and other factors. In other words, being natively telco aware, it's capable of performing a conceptual design of our infrastructure without requiring any specialized knowledge. In our example, a complex infrastructure is required to support a big sporting event. A procurement specialist from the event committee is using this portal to search for available offerings while the system intelligently suggests compatible and relevant applications and telco products. In this important step, our system automatically translates business requirements into a deployment approach by suggesting regions and placement of the individual solution parts. The system dynamically adapts the solution placement when it discovers a new cloud platform, such as in this example, it moves sensitive MEC applications to an edge cloud platform. Behind the scenes, the system also automatically stitches these products into a single solution and generates a configuration for individual applications. Since networks are becoming elastic and application-centric, asking for static bandwidth is no longer feasible. To fine-tune our solution, the system asked the procurement specialist about the potential size of the event and its consumption pattern. It's presented in a non-specialist friendly way. Also, aspects including SLAs, application optimization, and availability that normally require complex and long decision-making are taken care of automatically. The system simply redesigns a future solution based on these inputs and adjusts the quote accordingly. Now that our solution is up and running, the technical crew of the event committee take over. As we'll see, the system keeps on guiding them through operations. The important part here is that the system is capable to figure things out as they happen, so it doesn't operate in a prescriptive mode. This helps to achieve full automation of operational processes. As an example here, if a node goes down and there's no backup path initially in the design, AI-driven network automation will identify an optimal temporary solution to keep the network running. It makes sure that the service remains uninterrupted, in this case by discovering and activating a self-backhaul feature and allocating a backup circuit over the backhaul. As a part of our solution, we've also implemented a personal security service that allows users, for example lost children or unaccompanied seniors, to be traceable online. In this case, because of the critical SLA requirements of this service, the system has decided to put this communication onto a detailed, ultra-low latency network slice, which is being provisioned on demand. It will make sure that the service is uninterrupted, even during surges in consumer traffic. The system also generates a blended experience on the fly by visualizing live feeds from the network and from the security application. What we've seen in this example is how next-generation automation products from Netcracker's digital OSS can help service providers innovate and disrupt in the 5G era. Not only can they help you build zero-person network operations, but they also reimagine the shopping experience and help you offer fundamentally new and differentiating offers to consumers and businesses.